Hello students, welcome to Wednesday session of class 5th EVS. Last we had started our lesson Look, Learn and Experience. We had been discussing about our few things, what is made of. This table we had already discussed. Let us have a quick revision. Chair, door, chapati, spectacles, bucket, spoon, shoes, book. These are made of a different materials, different things. The matter of which the above mentioned things are made is called a substance, a thing. Then a thing has a weight or a mass. If you weigh something, if you pick up something, it has a weight. If I pick my one of the cover, then it has a weight. It has a weight or a mass. Mass or weight only substance have. Water, brick, kerosene, bag, ice, man, milk, cloth, iron, wheat, plastic, they have a mass. Wind and smoke also having a atomic mass. Mass valuable things are there, but we will discuss afterwards. Air also occupies space. Collect things like leaf, nail, water, eraser, and chalk. Use a pencil and draw an outline of them, draw the figure of the various things. So, after talking these points, we can see that it is true that everything is made of matter, everything has a weight or a mass, everything occupies space. Air occupies space and air has a weight. So, once again, I would like to repeat these things. Everything is made of a matter, has a weight or a mass. It can be weight or a mass. Everything is occupying space. Air occupies space, air has a weight. Then the activity is given here. We have to take 3 transparent glasses, 3 transparent bowl. We will fill water, stone and smoke with the incense stick with the agarbatti and observe them. We have to tick mark for the substance which take place of its container and cross mark for one that does not change in the shape. The table is given. The table answers I will give you. In the table, name of some solid, liquid and gaseous substance are written. You write few more names. Like water, the substance with the changes shape when put from one to another container, but there is no change in the space it occupies. Such substance are called liquid substance. It is taking the automatic occupying the occupying the container space, and they are called liquid substance. So, like water, kerosene, petrol, oil changes shape when it put from one container to the another container, but there is no change in the space. Whatever it occupies, it keeps the same. Such substances are called liquid substance. Milk, water, kerosene, oil, petrol, diesel, etc. are the best example of it. In our next session, we will talk more about this.